Henry Lau, commonly referred to mononymously as Henry, is a Canadian singer, songwriter, actor, entertainer and classical violinist based in South Korea and China. Henry Lau was born on October 11, 1989 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. His father is from Hong Kong with Teochew ancestry and his mother is from Pingtung, Taiwan. He was raised in the middle-class neighborhood of Willowdale located in the district of North York. He attended Connolly Public School in Port Credit, Mississauga Stilsview Public School, Giant Heights Junior High School, then North Toronto Collegiate Institute in grade 9 and attended AY. Jackson Secondary School in Toronto for the rest of his high school years before being chosen at the 2006 SM Entertainment Global Audition in Toronto. On November 18, 2020, Henry released his third EP, Journey. On September 17, 2020, Henry's collaboration with Jeremy McKinnon and Max for the official anthem of the 2020 League of Legends World Championship titled Takeover was released. On May 9, 2019, he released Untitled Love Song, his first solo single under Monster. He previously teased the song during an appearance in variety program Idol Room. He will rejoin the cast of Begin Again for its third season, which will air in July 2019. In November 2018, Henry announced that he had joined Monster Entertainment Group, an agency based in South Korea founded by his brother Clinton to help build his brand globally. Monster Entertainment is part of a global management team which includes Chinese film production company Filmco and other partners in the United States. Sun participated at the 2006 SM Entertainment Global Audition at Toronto and he was selected as one of the 2 participants from a total of 3,000 candidates. His debut as a Super Junior M member happened in 2008. He has also produced songs for TV dramas and for different artists. Henry calls his fans his strings and he is associated with Noise Bank in its composing team. He made his debut as solo artist in 2013 with the EP Trap, which was well received. Henry joined second season of the music variety show Begin Again, which aired in May 2018. He returned for the second season of Chinese variety show Back to Field, which aired from April to June 2018. He also landed a role in the Chinese martial arts movie Double World. In August 2018, Henry was cast as Trent in A Dog's Journey, which was released in May 2019 and marks his first American film. On April 30, 2018, it was announced that Henry had completed his contract with SM Entertainment and that he had decided to leave the agency. He then set up his own studio called Henry's Workshop. On May 4, 2018, Henry opened Jaeoshan Chinese Eats restaurant in Sinzatong, Gangnam. In July 2017, Henry joined Snowball Project as a regular cast member. Since then, he has co-produced the song Lemonade Love, which is sung by NCT's Mark and singer Park Jae-young. On October 26, 2016, Henry alongside NCT's Mark released the OST I Want to Enter Your Heart for the upcoming television series Sweet Stranger and Me. The track was written and composed by Henry. On October 10, 2016, SM Entertainment announced that Henry will collaborate with Soyo for a song called Running, released on October 14 through SM Station. In 2015, Henry guest starred on popular reality show SBS's Roommate I. In March, SM Entertainment confirmed that Henry had joined the variety show We Got Married and his partner in that show was Yeowon. On February 6, 2013, he was confirmed to be a contestant in Olive MasterChef Korea Celebrity, the celebrity version of MasterChef Korea. In February 2014, Lau joined the cast of the Korean real-time military variety show Real Men with fellow celebrities Chan Young-myung, Park Gan-hyung. He quickly became the breakout star and variety favorite because of his natural optimism and eagerness to learn Korean culture, despite being Canadian-born and completely unfamiliar with the Korean military.